Okay, so let's look at the last and final example and the how to evaluate limits of sequences when given the limit as n goes to infinity of 1 plus 1 over n all power n equals to e, or the limit as y goes to 0 of 1 plus y, or this equals to e. These two things, so let's note them down. So now let's see, we have the limit as n goes to infinity of 1 plus 2n power n plus 3 all over n. So as usual, we are going to make a transformation by let y equals to 2n. This will imply that n is equals to y over 2, like this. Okay, and so this, so therefore we have n plus 3 over n being equals to n over n plus 3 over n is equals to 1 plus 3 over n. But the n is this, and so we are going to have 1 plus 3 over y over 2, and so this is just 1 plus 6 over y. Okay, and so we are now going to have, therefore, have the limit as n goes to infinity of 1 plus 2n all power plus 3n, this equivalent to the limit as y goes to 0 of 1 plus y all power 1 plus 6 all over y, like this. And so we will now have this will imply that have the limit as y goes to 0 of 1 plus y power 1 times the limit as y goes to 0 1 plus y power 6 over y, like this. Because this is like the powers of indices, they are adding each other. So since they are adding and their powers, it means the twins are 2 and we added their powers, the bases were the same. So this will therefore imply that now as y goes to 0, have 1 plus 0 times the limit as y goes to 0 of plus y power over y all power 6, like this. I think we can do this. Yeah, we can do this. So but this will imply that we have 1 times this one is e, the whole of this is e, so that's e power 6, therefore we have e power 6. So our final answer. Kindly subscribe to the channel. And that is all for under how to evaluate limits of sequences. Subscribe.